Hello friends, this is Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel. So friends, this is the fifth part of the video on CenterLine diagrams in a building. So friends, we had shown how to create CenterLine diagrams in the ground floor as well as the first floor of our building. Now we'll just do some final works which are needed in this plan. So first of all, let us just take a polyline from here. Let's say we'll take a polyline from here and just so that we want to maintain some uniformity in our center line. So we've created a polyline here. Now we'll use the trim command. We are double enter to just delete the unnecessary portions. So if any portion is short, we can just extend it, but no portion is visibly short here, so simply select this and we can delete this. Now we want to put all this center line in a separate layer, because if we import the model in Tekla Structural Designer, we need to put the center line in a separate layer. So we'll show you how to do that. So first of all, we need to create a new layer here. We can go to the layer properties and then this option which is add new layer, and then this option which is new layer. So we'll just create a new layer here and name it CenterLine. We'll just pick the color. Suppose we can pick this color, okay, and line type we can select as -2. You can see there are various lines. You can select this -2 type. So you already selected the -2 type. So I was just showing you guys how to bring it. I had already selected it in a previous layer. So I'll just press OK. So our line type has been changed to dashed. So we'll close this. We'll simply select all of the center lines. So as you can see, all the center lines have been selected. In this plan also we can do something similar. So now we have selected all the center lines. We'll just go to the layer options and just change it to the center line. Now as you can see, the color and as well as the line type has been changed because we have put it in the layer of center line. So friends, in this video you have seen how to draw the center line and how to put the center line in a separate layer so that it's ready for inserting in any software like Tekla Structural Designer. So now before the structural design, we need to convert this file into which we'll show in the next video. And after we have converted that file into it is ready to be designed by the help of any structural design software. So see you in the next video, and if you want to join us offline, you can join Civil Center Student Club, where we provide industrial training to civil engineering professionals as well as students in various softwares and courses related to civil engineering. So if you want to join us, contact 9777 and also you can drop an email at team@civilcenter.in. See you guys. Bye bye.